Previously on Another Day.
Hi, I'm Naomi. My parents have decided that they want to go on a new adventure and leave our childhood home. Basically, I'm moving.
It's crazy, you could drown in this bath.
It's going to be the share bathroom, but I'm here all the time. This is my bathroom technically. Currently it is a state, so there's stuff everywhere, there's bits that need to be put on. But I'm going to do that either in a different video or in this one. I don't really know what I'm doing. Currently I'm sat on the floor of my bathroom. I just felt like this is a perfect place to do a little haul, because are you doing a haul if you're not sat on the floor? Growing up on the internet makes me think no. So I've been to B&M for my second trip, and I thought I've got enough stuff to do a little haul to at least start off with. Granted, I'm going to be decorating with a little bit of my stuff that I've had previously that's used in my room. Just thought I'd do a little haul because this is actually officially my first ever bathroom. But I'm going to start off with the bits that I got last time. I sat in here for like a few days and I haven't done anything with it because I've been waiting to do this bit. I love interior design. This is something that I've been quite passionate about for many years. It's shown up a little bit on my channel, but not loads. But I've definitely got a little bit more of an aesthetic understanding of what I'm wanting now. I don't know what I'm doing with my hair. An aesthetic in mind that this bathroom leans into anyway. I tend to gravitate towards a style called Japansy, which is like a Japanese, Scandinavian type thing with a little bit of like a mid-century vibe to it. That's basically my aesthetic interior design wise. So a lot of the stuff is that kind of vibe. Everything is from B&M currently. First of all, I have a bath mat that says rise and shine. Just a rise and shine little thing. It's obviously out of its packet because I've used it. I have bathed, I have showered, I have needed to make sure I don't slip up when I'm getting out of the bathtub. This is literally 28 in itself, isn't it? Toilet brush cleaner. It's just like a ribbed stone thing with like a little wood bottom. And then to go along with those we have this, which is so you can put like a soap dispenser on it, like that. Just thought handy to have a soap dispenser in the same thing. So this is like a stone. The wood's slightly different, which kind of irked me a tiny bit. There was enough like yellow in here that it all kind of encompassed into itself, so it's fine. Stone with wooden base, toothbrush holder, a little, I don't know what I'm going to use this for, but I brought this one specifically because this has, it says it's perfect for electronic toothbrushes because it has the individual thing. B&M Japandy range, which I didn't know they did. I brought some little lights. The other thing that I bought, oh my god, which is the building side of this today, is a under the sink cabinet, because there's not a single bit of like shelving apart from up on that top bit, and it just makes it look super messy. So brought this boring thing, wipes. This is a bath mat so I don't fall and die. Is a glass soap dispenser. I know I showed you this one, but here's the thought. Hear me out for a second. If I was to use this like this, we could have a soap and we could have a hand cream. Nice, cool, aesthetically pleasing. No further questions, Your Honour. Matches in a little jar that has the little striker thing on the bottom. I just thought that was quite cute, aesthetically pleasing in the room. This is a glass of window cloth. Got a scrapey thing for the windows, and then this, and the mirror organisers for this and all of that shit up there. 2 other baskets, because I think I worked out I needed 5. So I brought 5 and then one massive one for, I don't know, cleaning products. I think it's best if we start off with building this, because then I actually have a space to put things. Is that on a Dutch tilt? Are you going to feel like you're in a horror movie this whole time? Probably. I just realised that you're not going to get full shelves by buying a piece of furniture, because you're going to see the sink all the way through it. Fine. It's fine. Is it what I thought for a second? No. But, you know, we move. Enter my mind for a second that you would be able to see the sink through it. Two-person assembly. I believe I'm doing it backwards. I'm an idiot. First of all, I'm an idiot. So give me 30 seconds. I don't want to tell you how long it took me to realise which way this had to go up then. Sometimes I think I'm really able to do things, and then I do things like that and I'm like, am I real? Ow, that was my elbow once again. You know what? I've never broken a single bone in my entire body, but this week, oh boy. The amount of times I've hit myself by accident on things. Ridiculous, bro, ridiculous. It's been a little bit of time, but oh, that wonderful girl. Could she be any cuter? Ta-da! I've started filling this up. However, although I took down measurements because I don't want anyone saying, hey, why didn't you take down measurements if you thought that you were going to get this in there? First of all, this was a blind spot for me. I don't know why. I did take down measurements because I saw it said 30 depth on the box. So I chose specifically ones that looked like they were 30 and whatever, but you don't think about this. We've had to squish the baskets. I've started filling them up a little bit just to get things going. Like a solid week since I moved. That's insane. Is it? What time is it? What day is it? It's Friday, isn't it? It's Friday. It's the 6th. I don't really know how much I want to talk. I just want to get this bathroom done because it's been a week. And granted, have I actually been here a week? Because I had a day in London. I haven't been here. I feel really weird. I feel very displaced. Going from countryside to city to countryside again has made me suddenly like, it's giving me a bit of a complex, I won't lie. But I'm going to try and work through that via finishing off the bathroom and cracking on with my bedroom, because I haven't done anything for my bedroom yet. Like, it has no personality in it. Anyway, I'm going to crack on and do this. So far, I got all of this. I mean, obviously, goes without saying, those aren't supposed to be either. Don't know what I'm doing with this yet. Don't know if I want this in here or in the bath. Not bathroom, in my bedroom. I think this bathroom has all of my personality in it, and that's disturbing that I'm spending so much time in a bathroom instead of an actual room. have just arrived. This is a mighty big box for just some towels. Oh my god. What in the world? So what I got was some rectangle towels and that have like a little square rim, which honestly I've been on a hunt for some square checkerboard towels for literally weeks, just because I feel like that's the perfect thing that would tie the bathroom together. I also got these ones which are like a caramel colour, which unfortunately I don't have the hand towel for because they were out of stock. These. And then I have the full set of these rectangle ones, which I think are going to look so stinking cute everywhere. Yeah. It's coming together, lads! To add some final touches to the room, I decided to add some artwork. The first ones are these leafabology prints that I got from Amazon, and then a cute little wash your little paws sign that I had come up on an advertisement on Instagram a little while ago, and it didn't leave my mind, so I had to buy it. And I'm just putting those in some black IKEA basic kind of frames. I just felt like the black frames, as opposed to any other kind of colours, kind of brings in an element of depth to the room. It kind of ties into the towels and everything else in the room. It's also kind of cute that the print itself for the Wash Your Little Paws has a little checkered board mat in the background, which matches the towels in mine. Project complete. Bathroom is done. We enjoyed kind of creating an environment that feels like my soul is on the outside. I like that, and it's definitely moved in ways that I wasn't anticipating, but I'm so glad, and I can't wait to create more stuff. There's bits that I didn't think I was gonna do. I thought it was gonna be very beige, very like atmospheric. However, it hasn't fully come out that way. It's got nice little nuances to other things that I really like. For example, the checkered towels and things, and the little Wash Your Little Paws artwork. All of the components kind of marry themselves up very well. And plus, on like an absolute side note, because I am a human and I live in these bathrooms and it's not a showroom, these are organised for me to understand what's going on. It looks messy, it's not a showroom aesthetic, but it is real life aesthetic. So I'm very happy with how it looks. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. This video is done. I will catch you guys on the flip side. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you next time. Oh my god, there's 2 of them! I don't know if you could see them. That's just in my garden. I'm not a bird guy at all, but you do just get distracted by birds here. Okay, I'm done. I'll see you later. Bye.